morning, students. Previously, we have discussed treatment of CGST and SGST when goods are purchased and sold within same state. So today we will discuss treatment of IGST, means purchase and sales from one state to another. What is the full form of IGST? Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Integrated means combination of CGST and SGST. Combination of Central Goods and Services Tax plus State Goods and Services Tax is called Integrated Goods and Services Tax. So what will be the journal entries? Journal entries are same just like of CGST and SGST as we have already discussed. Like purchases account debit, if you purchase goods or you purchased assets, then asset account debit. Please keep it in mind that you don't combine these entries. I just combine these entries to understand you properly. So purchases account debit, if purchase is there, if asset is there, then asset account debit, and if any expense is there, so expense account debit. Input IGST account debit in all these three cases. To bank account if paid in cash, or if goods or asset purchased on credit basis, then to creditors account. Only goods can be purchased on credit basis, not asset. Next, bank account debit when goods sold. So bank account debit if goods sold on cash. If goods sold on credit basis, then debtors account debit. To sales account or income is there, then to income account. To output IGST account. Now we have two situations. The first situation, if input IGST is more, and the second is if output IGST is more. Keep it in mind that input IGST means taxes paid by us, and output IGST means taxes collected by us. Government said that please cover your paid taxes from your collected taxes and balance paid to me. We said it's okay. So, for example, we have balance of input IGST 18,000. As I told you, when input IGST is more. So, input IGST is 18, whether output IGST is 12. That means input is more by 6,000. Input CGST is 1800. Input SGST is 1800. Output CGST 10,800 plus output SGST 10,800. So, how we will maintain the journal entries? So, first case, we just have to watch the first case. In this case, input IGST is 18, whether output IGST is 12. So, input IGST is more by 6,000. So, we can adjust only, that means taxes paid by S are more. So, output IGST 12,000. So, we will cover input IGST only with 12. Still, we have paid more taxes of 6,000 and we just want to cover it. So, we can cover it from output CGST. We can cover it from output CGST. So, output CGST account is 10,800. All of us, we will cover our loss. So, input IGST account balance left 6,000. After then, we will cover input CGST 1800. Remaining balance will be paid to government, because it's quite clear that in IGST, CGST and SGST are included, but in CGST, SGST is not included now, so we can't SGST from CGST. Okay, but in case of IGST, we can cover the all of the three. So last entry, again I am repeating, as input IGST is more by 6,000. So all of us cover output of 12,000 from input IGST. Remaining 6,000 will be covered from output CGST. Now our whole loss is covered and balance paid to government. And we have third more case also. Output SGST is 10,800. Whether input SGST is only 1,800. So remaining 9,000 will be paid to government. Thank you.